So there are all kinds of condiments and toppings to put on hot dogs. My 4 favorites are sauerkraut, dill relish, bacon, and spicy brown mustard. So I thought, let's just combine them and make something called SuperKraut. So why do this? Well, for me, it's just the ease of putting it on a hot dog. I don't have to worry about each individual thing. It's all ready for me. So let's get started with 1 cup of sauerkraut, 1 cup of dill relish, about a 1/4 cup of spicy brown mustard. That's 4 tablespoons. We're gonna eyeball this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 strips of bacon that I fried up, cooled down, and chopped up. And we mix. That's all there is to it. Now let's get this on our hot dog. So I've got a hot dog that I grilled up here, and we're just gonna go ahead and top this with our SuperKraut. Now clearly you could customize this. You could put some chopped up onions in it, mushrooms if that's your thing, or ketchup. I'm not saying that people who put ketchup on hot dogs are monsters, but I don't put ketchup on hot dogs. If it's your thing, go ahead and add it into the SuperKraut. Now the taste. That's pretty darn good. And it has all the things that I like on my hot dog in one fell swoop. I don't have to go through a topping station and hit 4 or 5 things. It's all there.